Heineken wants to become the best connected brewer. And actually that's based on our history. We have super strong connections with our consumers, and we have known them for 157 years. We built a strategy which is called Evergreen. It's how do we keep growing? How do we understand our consumers? Where do we invest? Where do we innovate?
It's not possible anymore to do things the way you did before. It's a matter of survival of CPG companies.
The way we manage our brands has changed. From traditionally being brand focused to be very strategically thoughtful on our route to consumer, you always start with your company strategy. And then you look at digital tools.
Microsoft has a real understanding of the art of the possible and bring the knowledge of Heineken where we really know what makes customers tick, what the relationship is, what the pain points are. Together with Microsoft, we can create the dream of a seamless experience for all our customers across the entire value chain.
And when we say focusing on customer needs and pains, there is no one size fits all. So we really try to move away from traditionally looking at the market and just say this is a bar and the needs of a bar is XYZ. Saying within the channel bar you have different kind of customers, the individual, the person. The role of these sales reps are changing because of the digitization. We need sales reps for value-add activities. For example, an outlet owner starts a bar, he's short on cash. How can the company help in a tailored way? You can talk about design. You can inform an outlet owner on pricing.
And we're implementing the voice of the customer and really trying to find out what are the key pain points of our customer. Transforming that into actionable insights for our customers to really build a bigger business.
Data is the new fuel of the companies, right? But only having the data is not enough. But what we're looking for is to enable the power behind the data, to predict what kind of demand and what are the consumer trends, how we can connect with social media events, how we can check about the weather.
AI, machine learning are absolutely the tools of today. Targeted sales activities or next best action, where's the most value, what should sales reps discuss?
And the data will tell us where the biggest uplift is coming from. This is a machine learning, a data decision, and then step by step in a very organized and intentional process that will create happiness of a customer.
It's a huge transformation that we are doing not only for Heineken, but for the overall industry. That's what the mission, to be the disruptors and the change agents of the future of this business.
Heineken and Microsoft together can build something which is super powerful. Microsoft is bringing people together. We will add the flavor that over a beer in a bar, we can create real, true and emotional connections with people. Bringing those two elements together is going to be magic.